In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your RAM speed on Windows 11. It's relatively straightforward and simple. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Windows 11 icon over here on your taskbar, right click on it. And then what you want to do is you are looking for Task Manager. Click onto Task Manager. That'll go ahead and open up, and what you're wanting, if I make this bigger, you want to go to the Performance tab, and then you can see CPU, then memory. You want to click on memory, and right here at the top right hand corner you can see it says 16 gigabytes DDR4 RAM. So there's where you see how much RAM you have. You can see the speed of it and how many slots are used. So I'm using 2 of 2 slots. This is a laptop, and then you can see like what's available, like 1.2 gigabytes, and that's it. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.